searching for a brighter day.
As you travel life together, may God guide you on your way and bring you newfound joy in each other every day. May your home be graced with peace. May your sharing know no bound. May your friendship know full measure in this lifetime love you found. And as your closeness deepens, may each moment be the start of life lived hand in hand and love lived heart to heart.
I found you, brand new. Sky is blue when I'm with you. Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
So Brian was out in Montauk with his friends, and one of Lindsay's friends introduced the two of them, and they started hitting off. Sparks were flying, everything is great. And when Brian told me, the first thing I told him, literally the first thing I said to him was, "You're gonna end up marrying this woman." And he shrugged it off. He was a little awkward about it, but underneath he was smitten, and I knew it. And well, here we are 3 years later, Brian, and I told you so.
When I saw something heavenly, you turned my darkness into day. Oh, and I could finally see the way. I found you, oh, brand new. Sky is blue when I'm with you. Finally I feel alive. Finally I feel alive.
Do you, Brian, take Lindsay for your lawful wife, to have and to hold from this day forward? For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part?
I do.
I do.
By the power invested in me by the all-knowing internet, I have the distinct pleasure to pronounce you man and wife. Mazel!
Finally I feel alive. I found you.
I'm just so happy and blessed to share this day with them and to welcome Lori and Dave and Brian into our family. So thank you all. Let's raise a glass and toast the newly married couple.
Finally I feel alive.
Brian, you are officially Lindsay's new person to consult with, to share wins and losses with, to bounce ideas off of, to make decisions with, to do all of the things a life partner should do. I couldn't think of a better person for the job. You are absolutely perfect for Lindsay in every way and truly lucky to spend the rest of your life with my sister. I wish you guys a lifetime of happiness, and I am so excited for all of the new memories you two create.
I found you, brand new. Sky is blue.